Hi guys, welcome to Alvin the Tech Man. Today's video is going to be how to install Roblox and Roblox Studio on your computer. First, you'll go to Google Chrome or your browsing app. Type Roblox download. Then click the top one by Roblox. Then click Download Windows app. Then click the one here that means open. Then it'll start installing Roblox. This is in full time. You will see now that it's configuring and starting Roblox. That is a good sign. Now, thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!